Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Vimeo. Vimeo is a popular online video platform that offers a range of features and services for both creators and viewers. As a general review, Vimeo stands out as a reliable and user-friendly platform that prioritizes high-quality content and provides a supportive community for creators. One of the key strength of Vimeo is its commitment to preserving the integrity of videos by making it higher standards compared to other video sharing platforms. The site is well known for its emphasis for artistic and professional content, making it ideal for platform for filmmakers, artists, and other creative professionals who are seeking to showcase their work in a more curated environment. So let's join first. You need the first name, the last name, the email, and you will need to enter the password, or you can join with Google. Same thing. So exclusive photos, iconic creators. So here the search bar where you will need to search everything you will need, like airplane, takeoff, and they will give you some videos of airplane taking off. Here we have the video that is cost is between 79 to 199 of an airplane taking off. They have more thousands of videos, 2021 videos result of planes taking off. So the user interface of Vimeo is clean, intuitive, and aesthetically pleasing, allowing users to navigate through the platform with ease. The video playback quality is generally excellent, and the platform supports high definition and even 4K videos, ensuring a visual immersive experience for viewers. And Vimeo provides a range of tools and features to enhance the video creation process. Creators can upload videos in various formats, customize videos, players, and captions, and control privacy settings to determine who can access their content. Additionally, Vimeo offers robust analytics that allow creators to track the performance of their videos and gain insights into viewer engagement. So here you can upload your video, you can create, record, sing, create event, depending on what you have, what what you did. So here we have some examples of categories. Let's see sports. So the community aspect of Vimeo is another notable aspect. The platform fosters a supportive environment where creators can connect, collaborate, and receive feedback from fellow artists. This sense of community is further reinforced through Vimeo's staff picks, channels, and group that showcase outstanding videos and facilitate niche community. So yeah, those are sports. I think this is, yes, those are videos, not pictures. This video only provides videos. So here, running on the water. Looks like running on the water. Here, teaching tennis ball, climbing, explore more collection, new showcase, astronomy inspired. Let's see this. So you will find anything. Wow. actually the first time consider buying a picture, a video. Wow. Okay, this is very relaxing. The price for 4K is 159 with the membership. So the total will be 115 plus the Pro, the business. Depending on the membership you choose, you can add coupons. I think Microsoft Edge has some coupons for you. 75 off with this coupon, and it has a high success rate. So yeah, some videos, some clips are worth all this money. So in summary, Vimeo is reliable, user-friendly, and artistically oriented online video platform that caters to the needs of creative professionals with its emphasis on quality content, robust features, and a supportive community. Vimeo provides a valuable platform for creators to share their work and engage with like-minded individuals. Okay, let's see another topic. New showcase videos, April, March 2020. Family technology. Let's see technology. Okay, we have 109,000 videos about technology. Here we have cybersecurity or something like this. So every video has its story. And look at this title, under the mouse. The title is how this video is defined. By typing one of the keywords in this title, you can define this picture. So finding picture in here is very easy. They pick long titles. The concept of 2 point. The digitalization of information stream moving through rack servers in data center. Interconnected threads connects. So yeah, you can choose here. You can choose the frame rates, the quality, pricing, the duration, and everything that you might need in your business. You can also upgrade your own videos. You can enable notifications. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.